or welcome if you're new. I make a lot of lifestyle content. I also work a 9-to-5 job as a therapist, and I'm really passionate about living a balanced lifestyle. So if those are topics that sound interesting to you, definitely go ahead and subscribe and join the fam. I'm finally vlogging. I feel like it's been forever since I've vlogged, and today it is Sunday. This morning I went to church with my boyfriend and then did some grocery shopping and cleaned out my fridge, and now I'm here. I have to do a full-on Sunday reset. I did a little bit, like I put the dishes in the dishwasher. I have it running right now. I'm currently cooking lunch because I'm starving. I have to take my Christmas tree down. I already took down the ornaments, but I just have to take the actual tree down and put it away. I have to vacuum. I have to wipe all the counters. I also, hopefully I'll get to it today, but have to like scrub and deep clean my bathroom. I thought I would bring you all along with me. Also, the lighting is just not good today. It's a very dark and gloomy day, but hopefully y'all are okay with that, with me vlogging, and my battery's about to die. So that's fun. But yeah, I'm making some lunch. I'm doing a burger bowl type of thing. And I got this little to-do list planner from Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront in the description as always, but I'm just gonna cross off some of the things that I already did on it and then keep crossing things off. I also see if I want to make it to the gym today. I made it yesterday, but I also have my cousin coming over tonight. She needs help with something, so we'll see. It's such a busy, jam-packed day, but I figured I'd bring you all along with me while we reset for the start of a work week. Anyways, I'm just gonna cook lunch. I need to chill for like an hour, and then we'll get right back to the Sunday reset.
Back in the bed, baby, go back in the bed. Yeah, yeah, feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby girl, back in the bag, yeah. Take it, you like a movie, keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah you my favorite.
Okay, y'all, let's chat for a minute. So I changed into comfy clothes, but I'm still debating whether to go to the gym or not, because yesterday I feel like I pushed it a little too hard, and like my muscles are so sore. I also wanted to go to TJ Maxx. I went to Marshall's yesterday, but basically 6 months into having my apartment, it's still very bare. Like the walls, there's nothing on the walls, and I really want to get some artwork or a mirror or something, because I don't know, I just feel like it'll liven the place up. I'm going for earthy vibes. I have like yellow pillows, this like foresty throw. I have a couple of plants, so I'm going for like earthy wood, cozy vibes, because this apartment is very gray, so I feel like some of like the warmer tones help balance it out a little bit. But yes, okay, I need y'all's help though. What should I add to my apartment? So hang on, let me show you. I took down my Christmas tree and oops, I mean, you can see my office chair. It's very bare. I was thinking of like in that corner putting a record stand for my record player because I have yet to get one, and then maybe like a cozy chair so that there's more seating space for when people come over. And this is like this corner. I think I want to put some like picture frames or something on the TV stand. The coffee table is bare because all my decor was either fall or Christmas. So now that it's neither of those, I feel like I want to add like a cute coffee table book, a candle for decor. What else could I add on there? I want for my what's this called, the kitchen high top countertop, I want to get like a white vase and put like fake tulips in there. I feel like that would look really cute. And in the spring I do want to get maybe a couple more plants, but I think having like a cozy chair with a record player or like a vertical bookshelf, I don't know, something. I feel like I just need something. So comment down below any suggestions, because I feel like I'm so bad at interior design. But at the same time too, I feel like I see all these TikToks and stuff on social media and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to like make my apartment look perfectly aesthetic and this and that. But realistically, I can't afford to do that. So I've just been trying to make best with what I have. Like this couch is from Walmart. Is it the comfiest thing in the world? No. Was it cheap and does it work? Yes. My coffee table, 20 bucks, Walmart. Serves its purpose. My boyfriend gave me his TV and TV stand. I got bar stools from Facebook Marketplace that were, you know, super cheap. I have a lamp from my parents that was sitting in their basement unused. Like everything, I make it work, and I don't need to, at this point in my life, I don't need to go out and buy like a cloud couch or like really bougie stuff. Like sure, it would be nice to have a comfier couch, sure, it would be nice to have an aesthetic TV stand, but what I have serves its purpose and I don't think it looks bad. Like I think it still looks good in the space, but I definitely do want to add just a couple more things just to liven it up, maybe hang something on the walls. Looking for some like artwork, or I might print out some prints and have them framed. We'll see. I'm probably gonna browse on my computer to see if I can find any prints. I work a 4-day work week. For those of you who don't know, Mondays are off because, well, sometimes I work Mondays, but only paperwork. But for the most part, Mondays are off. So I just have a longer day on Wednesday and Thursday to make up for it. But personally, I really like this schedule because it gives me a 3-day weekend. And I feel like I get so much done. I feel like I can get back into content creating. I've been really active on my Instagram. My goal is to grow my Instagram and have inspiring reels and content. So definitely please go follow me on Instagram. It would mean so much to me. It would really help me out. I'm just really trying to like build my content and rebrand content for the new year, and I'm really excited because I've just been struggling with vlogging. Like I'll film vlogs but then I'll delete them and not post them because it's dumb, because it's just TikTok, YouTube consumerism. But a lot of creators I follow, their places are perfect. They go shopping every day, they shop at Whole Foods, you know, it's But for me, that's not the reality. Like, we go to Target, we go to Aldi, you know, we don't go shopping for things because I don't go on my cute little Target runs anymore because I have to pay bills. If I do buy something, I really try to like think about what I'm buying. Comment down below if you like that content, if you want me to talk about saving money, budgeting, how to live alone, all that stuff, because I'm just trying to think of like different ideas that would be something that you're interested in. So definitely comment. Anyways, I rambled on for such a long time, so like I said, I'm gonna wait for my vacuum to charge and then have it vacuum my place. I'm gonna see if I can find any online wall art, and I might just stop by TJ Maxx to take a peek. We shall see. I just got home from TJ Maxx. I didn't find anything. There were a couple of things that I was thinking about, but I don't want to buy something until I'm like, yes, 1000% I want that. The other day I went to a Marshall's and I saw a cute art piece and I'm thinking about it. I might go back tomorrow to see if it's still there, but we'll see. No rush. I really want to make sure I get something that I like, not just to rush to get something. And my New Year's resolution was to return things if I don't like them and to think really carefully about purchases. I think instead of going to the gym, my body's just really sore and achy, so I'm gonna do some yoga just right here on my TV. I'm gonna move my coffee table and just do yoga, and then maybe read for a little bit. I still need to finish Icebreaker and cook dinner, and yeah, I need to stop telling you guys what I'm doing because you're gonna be seeing what I'm doing. Feeling a little bit anxious today. I think it's just because this past weekend has been so busy and crazy, but I feel like I just need some time to relax. So I think yoga will do wonders. So yeah, and I'm on my cozy couch, and yeah, even though I didn't get to cleaning the bathroom, I basically did everything else. I'll just throw in a little laundry, but I'm like proud of myself. Like, I did a lot today. I did a lot. I was up and about, and I got like no sleep last night. I could not fall asleep, and then someone knocked on my door at 10:30 at night, and I'm just like, what the heck? I didn't even go up and looked, and I don't know if they knocked on my door or on the person next to me, but it was like really loud knocking, and I assumed it was my door. But yeah, it was weird. I don't know, I think they just had the wrong apartment, but still, I was like, ugh. And then I just couldn't sleep. I kept waking up. It felt like every 30 minutes. Like, it was just awful.
There's nothing better than that. Baby girl, back in her bag, yeah. Take it. You like a movie, keep it replaying. Yeah, you're my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you're my favorite, yeah. Running through my mind all day, hanging on every word that you say. And I love the way you say my name, yeah. Baby, I love how you say it. It's like butter and I wanna taste it. Got my heart beating 90 BPM and feel like a track, so I'm racing. Must be love the way it's palpitating. Nobody working me up like you do.